This is a destination setting task. To work on it, it is required that you are familiar with the city of Mountain View, California, which means you should be able to name at least 5 places in Mountain View in your mind without searching from Google. The task consists of 2 stages. In the first stage, select 5 places you know well as the target destinations you then will specify in the second stage.
The page is showing the first stage. Start typing the name of a place and the system will try to auto-complete them by showing a drop-down list, like this. I'm going to choose the subway on Evelyn Avenue, and a specialties cafe and bakery on Alice Street, and a 7-Eleven on Wisman Road, and an Italian restaurant on Castro Street, and also a bank near downtown area. Notice that the Enter Next Stage button has been enabled, so you can click on it to move on to the next stage. I know these places very well, that I can describe where they are without looking at the map. That's why I picked them. If you accidentally selected a wrong place, you can drag and drop it to the trash bin here. Now the button is disabled again and showing that you have to select one more place. There's no upper limit how many places you can select, but at least 5 places have to be chosen before the button is enabled. Next, move on to the next stage. In the second stage, specify the selected destinations one by one by speaking to the system. To speak, click the microphone button. Once done speaking, click the button again. Subway. At each turn, the system will try to predict the target destination based on your speech input. The target is showing in a pink marker on the map, while the system's prediction is provided by a green marker. In this case, a different subway is returned. When specifying destinations, try to refer to nearby landmarks, for example, nearby places, streets, intersections, and neighborhood, and so on. In downtown, the heat map layer on the map is generated based on the observed landmarks, which indicates the possible area where the target destination might be. In this case, the whole downtown neighborhood is highlighted. Once the system's output matches the underlying target destination, click the Next button to move on to the next scenario. Also, you can restart the current scenario by clicking the Restart button if anything goes wrong. Avoid speaking the exact target business name, such as the name of a specific restaurant. Although train store names such as Subway are okay to use, it is recommended to use the category of the target place, plus landmarks. In this case, I would say Sandwich Place instead of Specialties Cafe. Sandwich Place. Near Bayshore Freeway and Alice Street. Near golf course. Okay, scenario completed. Let's move on to the next. Convenience store near Subway. Near Middlefield Road. Okay, I'm gonna try one more example. Italian restaurant near West Dana Street and Castro Street. Bank in downtown. Obviously, there's not only one bank in downtown. Near El Camino Real. Again, you don't have to stick to the expressions I used in this demo. Feel free to use the most natural way to describe the destination as if you were telling it to a friend who doesn't know the place before. Some example expressions might include of, close to, next to, around, not far from, in the vicinity of, and in the neighborhood of. Some example neighborhoods might include Castro City, Moffett Airfield, Moffett Federal Airfield, Downtown, Reinsdorf Park, Clean Park, Golf Course. That's it. Thanks for your attention, and enjoy doing the hit.